In this video, I will show you how to connect your VoIP.ms account to Textable, allowing you to send and receive SMS using your VoIP.ms service. Note that you must already have an account with Textable since we won't cover this topic in the tutorial. First, visit your VoIP.ms customer portal. Then, to enable the API, click on SOAP and REST JSON API under your main menu tab. Set up and save your password. Then click on the Enable button. You will also need to provide at least one IP address to be connected to the API. Add the IP addresses to the selected field. If you add more than one IP address, use a comma to separate them. Lastly, press the Save IP Addresses button. The next step is to set up the right configuration for the DID number you want to connect to Textable. To do so, under the DID Numbers tab, select Manage DIDs to look for the phone number you want to connect. Click on the orange notepad with a pencil icon to edit your desired DID. If your DID number is eligible to send SMS and MMS messages, you will find a checkbox on the right side of Short Message Service, where you can click and enable the SMS/MMS functionality. You will also need to enable SMS/MMS URL callback by checking the box and copying and pasting the proper callback URL, which you can find in the comment box below this video. Lastly, save your changes. Now, it's time to visit the Textable.app to finish configuring the integration. Into the My Profile section, you will need to complete your data. Add your name, your email address, and the phone number you want to use. Then, in the Provider Details segment, click on the drop-down menu to display the list of options and select VoIP.ms as a provider. When selected, two fields will appear. In the first one, you will enter your API username, which is the email address related to your account. And in the second, you have to enter the password you set up. Then, press the Update Profile Details button. You have successfully configured Textable to use it with your VoIP.ms account. Now you have access to your contacts, and you can respond or create new conversations. To send a message, just enter a specific phone number or select one in your contact list and press Start Conversation. Thank you.